Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting now. Make sure the AirPods and case have charge and the case is open. On your Android, open Settings and enable Bluetooth so the phone can see nearby devices. Press and hold the small pairing button on the AirPods case until the status light flashes white. This puts them into pairing mode. Once the light flashes, switch back to Bluetooth settings and watch the device list populate. You're setting up visibility and readiness so pairing can occur immediately. Once you see the AirPods entry, tap it to start pairing and then accept the pairing request when Android asks. Make sure to enable media audio and call audio if prompted so music and phones sound route through the AirPods. If you have Android 10 or later, allow notification access if offered to get battery status. If the AirPods don't appear, toggle Bluetooth off and on or move the case closer. This clears discovery glitches and forces a fresh scan. To finish, put the AirPods in your ears and play audio to confirm left and right channels and volume control work. Adjust media volume on the phone. Once connected, you can configure double tap or press and hold behavior on compatible Android apps and enable voice assistant integration. If anything goes wrong, reset the AirPods by holding the case pairing button for about 15 seconds until the light flashes amber then white. Then repeat the pairing steps. This clears pairing memory and resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.